This is the final result. As you may know, Counter-Strike has some very good looking weapons, and I'll be making some of them over time. This knife, which is pretty gorgeous I think, took me just 5 to 6 hours to print, and it is a pretty easy print. The only little difficulty you might encounter is that you need to put support all over under the blade and the handle. Depending on the quality you're looking for, the painting can take you 2 hours or 2 minutes. Plus, remember to use acrylic paint, otherwise it won't stick on your model and you're gonna make a big mess you don't wanna know. If you'll be showing the knife to your friends every day, oh look at my knife, how cool I am, you can apply some translucent paint all over it in order to protect the color, and you're done. From now on, you can suggest what I should print and paint in the next episode. Just find a model you like and post it in the comments, and I will make it with my lovely hands. But before that, click here, around here to subscribe, and here to watch another video from 3D printed and painted. Cool, look at my knife, how cool I am.